Stepping off the harmony of the seas. Oh, that was slippery. Good morning, everyone. We're sitting at Johnny Rockets for breakfast. It started to rain, so we had to move under this. So I got just French toast and bacon. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how it tastes and how it looks. Alrighty, everyone, we have arrived to Costa Maya, Mexico. We made it to Mexico. So excited, and I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro so we can head to the water park. Alrighty, onto the GoPro so you guys will me disembark Harmony of the Seas. Headed down the escalator from deck 3 to deck 2. Can I set it down there? You can sit there and have it. Headed off the ship. See you guys when we get off. Stepping off the Harmony of the Seas. Oh, that was slippery. Ooh, we are off Harmony of the Seas, and our room is like back there. I know it's back there, but if we could get back there a little more, I would show you guys the exact location, because it's kind of easy to remember. We were one of the first people off the ship, headed to Lost Mayan Kingdom Waterpark. See you guys when we get there. We are in the Lost Mayan Kingdom Waterpark, and we are ready to ride some slide. Slides are over there. We're gonna go do some, setting down our stuff. Gonna go do some slides. Can't take the GoPro on the slides, so I'll let you guys know when we take a break and I come back. See you guys after we do some slides. I'm excited for that green one because it goes straight down and then it turns. Alrighty, we are leaving the water park. We're all ready to go. We've done everything. We did a couple things twice, so yeah, we just decided we're gonna head back to the ship. So I will, and then we're gonna head back. I'm gonna head back on board, grab a piece of pizza, do something maybe, and then come back off with my camcorder, my video camera, take pictures of the Carnival Fantasy. I am gonna check and see what time that leaves, because I may set up a time lapse with the GoPro or something, or the camcorder, and time lapse that sailing away, because it's not. And tomorrow, not tomorrow. We're alone tomorrow in Roatan, and in Cozumel. Cozumel's always busy, but we were actually supposed to have Empress of the Seas here today with us. Something happened. It was supposed to be in at 9, so I'm gonna look into that and let you guys know in subtitles down below right now what I heard or something. So yeah, let you guys know. We're gonna head back on board. Alrighty, everyone, heading down to deck 5 for Sorrento's Pizza, because I didn't really eat a big lunch when we were in Costa Maya. Then we're gonna head back off, take some pictures of the Carnival Fantasy, who is in port with us today. I'm supposed to be Empress of the Seas. I don't know why, but if I do, go back and there should have been subtitles. But like, I don't know why, or yeah. So if I do, I might pop them up again. So I'm gonna check again. So yeah, if I find that, I'll let you guys know. But I'm headed down to Sorrento's for pizza. Bing bong. Change of plans. I'm in Central Park. I decided that I'm gonna get a roast beef sandwich. Bing bong. My very first roast beef sandwich ever, and it's on board Royal Caribbean's Harmony of the Seas from Park Cafe. Just bread and meat. I have moved inside for dessert. I got an eclair and a mousse. Let you guys know how it is, and the roast beef sandwich was good. We're about to sail away from Costa Maya, but we had a pier runner. It's my first ever pier runner, guys. I tried to get it for you guys, but the lens fogged up, and it's fogging up again. Let me wipe it.
Oh, he didn't make it.
He didn't?
Wait, there's somebody with a backpack and a thing walking away.
That's not him.
Next to the guy in the white shirt down there. Maybe it's a crew member he's getting up.
That's the ship's agent. Turns out I was just the ship's agent here in Costa Maya, because he's the one that would deal with the people that missed the ship. I was kind of getting excited, but we didn't have anyone that missed the ship. It's disappointing. Is there anybody else running? I don't know how well you guys can see me, but the wake from our ship went under the pier. That is so cool. So yeah, see you guys in the next clip from Sail Away. Bye bye Carnival Fantasy. And Costa Maya and Lost Mayan Kingdom Waterpark. Goodbye. Headed out to do Teen Flow Rider. So I'll see you guys after I do Teen Flow Rider. Okay, Teen Flow Rider was really fun. So we're gonna head to bed now. It's tomorrow we're in Roatan. So we're gonna head to bed. Like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.